Cindy Crawford also stepped out yesterday sporting a nude face, except for her chic oversized sunglasses. Of course, the supermodel hit the streets of Malibu in a sleek monochromatic get-up and not a drop of makeup. All the better to let that flawless complexion, you know, breathe. This isn't the first time we've sighted Cindy without makeup. The 49-year-old was pictured with a fresh-faced beauty look in early March, right on the heels of her retouched photo controversy. For the record, Cindy was reportedly in the right for threatening legal action over an unflattering photoshopped picture of her that circulated online as authentic. One thing's for sure, we could learn a thing or two about skincare from these ladies.